Hello everyone, if you have a trouble like this on your dash, on your Volvo trucks, and this usually happen when the solenoid on the cab was broken or shorted. So if this happen to your truck, let me share to you some tricks in case you're on the road and this kind of emergency is popping on your dash. So in the cab we have a solenoid here, this one, where the cab airbag, and it was located here. So when one of these was broken, because these are two, left and right, the other side as well has a solenoid. So when this one was broken or shorted, means the light will appear, or the warning sign on the dash will appear. So this is only the need to replace. The tricks is, I show you some tricks in case you don't have a solenoid yet. Just put a wire on this just put a wire on this one, on the plug between these two. So just get some wire and just jump it like that. Then here we go. Let's check out. It's gone. Yep. So you can start. Again. It's gone. So that's only the trick. It's easy. Thank you.